I wonder what's so yummy about that box.
It's kind of an interesting concept. I have no answer.
And it's just that one area.
Would you mind emptying out the drainer basket?
Not at all.
Start our foray into the world of
Baking?
dessert making, yeah.
You know, the only time she's content to be out there is when she has something delectable to eat. It's like a giant binky.
And then I sit there and think about, am I ready to throw Dad's gift or Brian's gift back in his face? Am I ready for that? Because that would certainly put things at critical mass.
Mm-hmm.
Am I ready to talk about divorce yet? Am I ready to, you know what I mean?
It's all about, you know, I think you're ready as long